Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 10 or 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to fix missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first, open the troubleshoot settings and then tap on the other troubleshooters. And here run the troubleshoot for Bluetooth. And if this does not work, then and go to your home page and press the Window plus R key, then it will open the run dialog box and enter services.msc and tap on enter. And here in this interface, you'll be able to see three Bluetooth items running. And here you have to do a right click on the first one and then tap on properties. And here in the startup type, you have to change manual to automatic and tap on apply. And you have to do the same thing with these also. And after that, you have to restart the items that is running. And even after doing this, still you are not able to fix the problem. Then you have to open your file explorer and open this PC and open this driver C and go to the Windows and here search for System32 and double click on it. And here in the System32 you have to search for FSQU. Then you'll be able to see the icon of Bluetooth. You have to do the right click on it and tap on copy. And after that go back to your desktop page and do the right click on it and tap on paste. Then you'll be able to see the Bluetooth icon right here and do the right click. Then you'll be able to send files and receive files. And even after this, still you are not able to fix your problem. Then go to your device manager, expand the screen. And here you'll be able to see the Bluetooth services right here. And if you are not able to see that, then tap on action and tap on scan for hardware changes. And if you see any yellow exclamation mark, then do a right click and update your driver. And even after that, still you are not able to see the Bluetooth icon, then you have to again tap on action and tap on add legacy hardware and tap on next. And here and you'll be able to see two options. You have to select the second one which says install the hardware that I manually select from a list and tap on next. And here you have to select network adapters and tap on next. And here you have to search for Bluetooth. And after you find the Bluetooth, you have to tap on next. And then you'll be able to see the Bluetooth icon. And even after that, you are not able to fix the problem, then go to your browser. And in the search bar, search for Intel Bluetooth driver and visit the website which says download software and drivers for Intel and scroll down. And here you'll be able to see the latest and the previous version. Try to download the latest versions. And if that does not work, then you can still go with the previous one. And if it does not work, then I would recommend to repair your Windows. And to do that, you have to search for command prompt. And here, tap on run as administrator. And here you'll be able to see this type of interface. And here you have to run some commands. And here you can copy this command to repair your Windows. And the first command is DISM online clean image check health. Copy that and paste it right here and tap on enter. And once you are done with your first command, then let's go with the second one. and tap on enter, and it will start to scan your computer. And after you are done with your second command, then let's go with the last one, which will restore your Windows 11 and 10 or the any version till the Windows 7. And after doing all this, you have to restart your computer, and then you have to do a SFC scan. You just have to paste this right here and tap on enter. Then it will start to scanning your whole computer. It might take a little bit time, and after that you have to restart your computer, then it will fix your problem. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.